What's up, everyone? We're gonna do a little polishing on the drive shaft on the hoist Duramax. So we pretty much got everything painted under here, except for the drive shaft looks pretty crappy. So we're gonna just try polishing it. It's a little bit pitted, but probably hit it with a 320 first, and we'll just do it on the hoist without taking it off. Just make sure you obviously got a stable hoist and everything, but we'll just run the truck and sand it down and try polish it. So we polished a little bit of it up. It's still a little bit, you see a little bit of pitting here, so I'm just gonna go back and hit it lightly with some 80 grit and then work our way back up just to get a little bit more of that out. I think it'll make it look way better. And kind of see where we're at there. There's still a little bit. Might just do a tiny bit more, and then we'll work our way up to 1000 grit. That did help a lot, I think. Now we got it in 600 grit. It looks pretty good. There's still some pitting, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it out without, I don't want to take too much off it. But for this old truck, it should work. We'll try polishing it up here. I think I'll go to do an 800, do 800 next, and then maybe put it into 1000, I think, and then I'll try polishing it up and see if it turns out any better. Yeah, most of the stuff came out of it, but a lot better than I thought anyways, because it was in kind of pretty bad shape. So polish it up. It's just a tiny little pitting. You can see the sun coming out, but so now we're just going to do an 800 grit and 1000, then we'll polish it. Now I got it pretty close. I'm just doing the final buff. It's just a little bit dull. You can see the line here. So maybe just do a little bit more. it turned out pretty good. I would probably suggest just hiring someone to do it because it sucks. But for my first try, it looks pretty good. If you want to see more, like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.